Mrs. Johnston, in the read aloud you heard, the Smiths know that if they put food scraps in a bin to make compost, they will be rewarded in at least two ways. Say the word compost with me. Compost. Compost is a mixture of decaying foods and other natural things like leaves and grass clippings that eventually turn into soil. You can make compost out of scraps of food or even leaves and cut grass. Tell about something that you can turn into compost. Try to use the word compost when you tell about it. You may use my sentence starter if you need. One thing I can turn into compost is. How many of you responded with, one thing I can turn into compost is leaves of lettuce? One thing I can turn into compost is grass clippings and leaves. One thing I can turn into compost is celery stalks and leaves. Did you say one of Mrs. Johnston's responses, or was yours different? What is the word that we have been learning about? Did you say compost? Compost. Remember, compost is a mixture of decaying foods and other natural things like leaves and grass clippings that eventually turn into soil. If any of the things I say would make good compost, say, that would make good compost. If any of the things I say would not make good compost, say, that would not make good compost. Steak. That would not make good compost. Shredded lettuce. That would make good compost. Buttered toast. That would not make good compost. Spaghetti with meatless tomato sauce. That would make good compost. Leftover salad without dressing. That would make good compost. Hot dogs. That would not make good compost. The skins or peels from vegetables. That would make good compost. Our word today was compost. Remember, compost is a mixture of decaying foods and other natural things like leaves and grass clippings that eventually turn into soil.